Oh my gosh. You pick it up a little bit. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to a review video. I don't really do these because I don't really order a lot of things, but this time it was necessary because I ordered like a microphone for this camera. Yeah, I usually just use the audio that comes, the audio that the camera picks up. So this is what it sounds like without putting this in it. I did see a lot of TikTok videos, some YouTube videos, and just like I researched here and there to see which one would fit best for me. This was, I guess you could say, the cheapest version of good quality, because I still don't know it's gonna work well. It says that it pairs with like Sony cameras, so I hope it does. Yes, it's called the Synco Sound and Sync Everywhere. G1, A1, Digital 2.4 GHZ. It only comes with one microphone and the transmitter that connects to the camera. So one of these things connects to the camera and the other one, well, it's a microphone. That's what it says. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so in the box comes with this. I haven't opened it yet. And with the instruction manual and another instruction manual. I guess setting the record level correctly. I guess it tells you. My nephew and I were drawing. So, okay, let's open it. I ordered a white one. The usual one is a black one, but the white one was $10 less, I think. If not, it was the same price. But I ordered the white one because my camera is white and I kind of wanted it to match. So, okay, Synco. Ooh, okay. Oh, fell out of place. Okay, well, let's see. You get these two. This is a transmitter. It says there, transmitter. And then this is the receiver. So I'm guessing this is the microphone that clips to you. This, okay. And then up here in this little part, it has the cables. Okay, I think this connects to the transmitter and the camera. This connects to, I think, the phone, because I know this one says that it's like a universal thing, so I can connect to your phone as well. This connects to the camera and the receiver. This is the extra microphone, so I guess if you don't want to have this thing like clipped to you and you want something more subtle. Okay. Let's see what's in this. I think in this one it's just like the microphone stuff. More clips. I guess this is for the wind. And it comes with this little pin thing. I think it was to like reset it if you wanted to reset all the settings or something. And the little sponge for this little microphone. Okay, let's set it up. I'm gonna get another camera so you can see me setting this up. Okay, so this is my camera. This is the one I use for all the vlogs and stuff. I usually use it with this lens, but it's a little heavy for me right now. So camera, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna go to menu. And then, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It says to turn on the transmitter. Power button is right here. So that's the power button, this one right here. Okay, well, I was reading the manual. These are what charges this stuff. This is for it to connect to other devices. This one is what connects the transmitter to the camera. And well, this is a microphone. So what I just got into my camera is the second one, which is the recording stuff. And on page 3, audio recording, all of those audio things come out. So I'm guessing it's there. Here in this camera, it's the first tab up here that you open. And this is where these cables come in. The receiver goes on the camera. It's this one. You got the power button, the charging port, the different audio jacks, and then the reset button. And I'm thinking these are the volumes. I hope you can see it, but I'm guessing it's the type of settings for it. Okay, let's just do it. So I'm gonna turn it on. Is it connected? I don't know. Both little lights are on. So this receiver, I'm gonna put it up here. And then I'm going to connect this long one to the camera, and then this one to the one that has the headphones, I think. Testing 1 2, testing the Synco microphone. So I already recorded a little bit, but it sounds a little too noisy. So I'm gonna try connecting this to this. Okay, I had to play around with it off camera because it was just weird. So it didn't really it explained what all of this contains in this and what everything does. But the one you really had to read was this one. This one says that you have to adjust the audio levels, and it tells you for different cameras, and it said for Sony you have to keep it at a level 15. So I went into my settings, and to show you where it is, so it's this second, the one for the recording movie stuff. You have to change the mode to manual, because if not, it doesn't allow you. So you go to mode and you put movie, and that's when it'll allow you to get this audio recording level. So you click on it, and mine was all the way up to, I don't know how far it goes, to 30, I think. 31. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing audio levels, microphone, testing after settings changed. So it does sound a little low, like if you play it back here, but I'm sure it'll sound better on the computer. And once you're editing, you could just higher your volume. But I think it's okay. I want to play around with it a little bit more. So let's switch to this camera to see how well it's going to pick up the audio. Okay, this is what it's sounding like with the mic on. I clipped it here because I could have, had this here, but I just wanted to keep it low key. I probably won't even have this on view. I'll probably just put it just somewhere nearby because it doesn't have to be that close to your face. So I hope the audio is picking up well, and yeah, once I edit and do all these things, I'll come back and do a review on it to see how well it picked up on the video while I'm editing, because right now I don't know if this is picking it up, but my sister and my nephew are screaming in the living room. So I don't know. This microphone is supposed to just, pick up your voice and remove everything else. So let's hope it works. And yeah, I'll see you. I'll see you after. I'm just using this because under this it's the microphone. I just wanted to test it out without the actual little clip-on microphone, this one.
and just to see if it like picks up or, doesn't pick up other sounds. Because at the side of this transmitter, at the side of this receiver, actually, there's two buttons. The one that's like a little link chain and a volume thing. Let me see. I clicked the volume one. I don't know what that does, but I did read that that you can up the volume of one microphone like up to 4. I don't know what that means. And I only have one microphone, so yeah. Yeah, it says number 5, gain control. The initial value of the gain is the microphone's original volume. Each press of the gain control button increases the gain by 1 level, 4 level at most. When the gain is at max level, press once and return to initial value. The only thing is that this doesn't really indicate where it is. Like, the only indication of anything are these blue lights. So I think it's just like a play on ear once you hear the audio afterwards. I think that that's the only thing where I'm like, but yeah, like I said, I'll do a better review once I'm done filming what I need to film for today. Okay, so I have been editing with videos that I already used this microphone with. And if you can hear it right now, then it means it's pretty good. So when editing or when like you export the video to the computer, the video does sound a bit low, but I think that's because I still haven't like figured out the volume stuff, because it says to keep it at a 15, but I think I'm just gonna up it to maybe 17, 18. But I don't want to go too high because then that's when you hear like a white noise type of thing in the background. So I'm still gonna figure that out. But if not, then I use CapCut to edit my videos, and I'm paying for Pro. So, and there's this Pro feature that enhances your voice. And just with that alone, it helps so much. So, yeah. I did want to say that I connected this microphone to my computer, and this is where these cables came in handy. So the one that's connected to the receiver right now, it's the one that goes for the camera, but it also comes with this one. I don't know if you can tell. There's a little microphone thing like engraved on there, and then this one with like a little phone. So the phone one, I guess it's like for general use, because I used this one and connected it to the computer and the receiver. And then this worked just like a microphone for the computer. And it helps a lot too, because I was just using my headphones for the microphone, but it wasn't the best. But with this one, I noticed a huge difference. And yeah, I think that's all I can say for it right now. It's pretty good. I haven't had any issues. I guess it's just like getting used to it and like figuring it out as you go. But for first impressions, it's pretty good. Yeah, just read the manual, but I already read it, so you don't have to. All you need to know is to work the settings on the camera, and you should be fine. So, yeah. I hope the audio is better going forward, because I noticed how it was a bit like echoey and just I didn't like it. But it's a good investment. Okay. So, I will see you in the next video, because I want to buy a flash for this camera so I won't have to rely on all of these little ones that I have. So, yeah, we'll see a review when that gets here. Okay.